Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. Now to refresh our mind, let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the fundamental formulae of trigonometric functions or ratios, okay, and some problems from material and textbook. Today we are going to discuss compound angle. The chapter name, the topic name is compound angle and multiple angle, submultiple angle. Now what is this? This is compound angle, multiple angle, and submultiple angle. Submultiple angle. This is the heading of the chapter. This is topic, heading of the topic. Clear? Now, what is compound angle? Compound angle. The angles which are in the form of the angles which are in the form of the angles which are in the form of a plus b, a minus b, a plus b plus c, etc. are called compound angles. Are called compound angles. Okay. The angles which are in the form of a plus b, a minus b, a plus b plus c, etc. are called compound angles. Now compound angle formula. Compound angle formula. This is, class 10th, that is sin a plus b. This is from 10th class, and its proof is also there. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. The proof is in the 10th class book. Okay, this is sin a plus b. Sin a minus b is equal to sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. This is also in 10th class 10th. Okay, so cos a plus b, this is also class 10th. So cos a plus b is equal to what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Then cos a minus b is equal to cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. Okay, and tan a plus b is equal to what? Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now tan a minus b is equal to what? Tan a minus tan b divided by what? Divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b, clear? And cos, then cot a plus b, is equal to what? Cot of a plus b is equal to cot a into cot b minus 1 divided by cot a plus cot b, and again cot a minus b is equal to what? Cot a into cot b plus 1 divided by important, this is cot b minus cot a, okay? These are the standard formula of the compound angle. Now application of this formula, application of the compound angle formula. This is what? Compound angle formula, that is a plus r minus b type, a plus r minus b type. Now compound angle formula of a plus b plus c. Compound angle formula based on compound angle formulae based on of type, that is of type a plus b plus c. Okay, this is compound angle formula of type a plus b plus c. So now sin of a plus b plus c is equal to what? Sin a into cos b into cos c, गोटे sin दुईटा cos हम एमती मन रखा पड़ो, प्लस sin b into what? Cos c into cos a plus what? Plus, that is what? Sin c into cos a into cos b minus what? Minus sin a into sin b into sin c. This is formula of sin a plus b plus c and cos of a plus b plus c. This is equal to what? Cos a into cos b into cos c minus cos a into what? Sin b sin c. Here single cos double sin, and minus cos b into what? Sin c into sin a minus cos c into what? Sin a into sin b. Okay, this is cos of a plus b. Now tan of a plus b plus c is equal to tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b minus tan b into tan c minus tan c into what? Tan c into tan a. This is the three formulae of what? A plus b plus c type. Now proof of sin of, this is proof of sin of a plus b is equal to what? This formula, sin a single cos double, single sin double cos. Now proof sin of a plus b plus c. What is? This is sin of a plus b plus c. This can be written as what? Sin of a plus b plus c. Suppose this is a and this is b. Apply sin a plus b formula. So sin a into cos b means what? B plus c plus cos a, and sin b means what? Sin b plus c. Now also apply this cos of b plus c, and this what? Sin of b plus c. So this is equal to sin a, that is into cos b into cos c minus sin b into sin c, plus cos a into what? Sin b cos c minus cos b into sin c. Now multiply. This is equal to 1 sin a cos b into cos c minus what? Minus sin a into sin b into sin c. Then multiply this. This is sin b cos a cos c into cos a into cos c. Now sin c minus sin c here, and cos a into cos b, cos a into cos b. Now arrange properly. This is sin a into cos b into cos c plus what? Sin b into cos a into cos c, or cos c into cos a. Clear? And this is minus plus what? This is equal to plus, okay, minus, and this is what? Plus sign here. Sorry, this is plus. So plus what? Sin c into what? Cos a into cos b. Now minus here, minus sin a into sin b into sin c. This is right hand side of the first proof. Now another question, that is cos of a plus b plus c. Similarly prove cos of a plus b plus c. Okay. Now second proof, proof 2, that is what? Cos of a plus b plus c is equal to cos a into cos b into what? Cos c minus what? Cos a into sin b into what? Sin c minus cos b into sin c into sin a. Okay, then minus cos c into sin a into sin b. This is the required proof. So left hand side what here? Same concept, cos of a plus b plus c. Take, that is cos of bracket, this is b plus c. Consider this is a and this is b. Okay, so cos a into cos b plus c. Cos a into cos b means what? B means b plus c here, minus sin a into sin b plus c. Now expand this, and also expand this. So what happens here? Cos a cos b, that is what? Cos b into cos c minus sin b into sin c minus what? Sin a into sin, this is bracket, sin b into cos c plus cos b into sin c. Okay, so multiply again, cos a into cos b into cos c minus single cos double sin. So cos a into sin b into sin c. Again minus sin a, this is single cos, so write cos first, cos c into sin a into sin b minus what? Sin c, minus sin c into what? Cos sin c here, this is cos b, sorry, this is cos b cos B into what? Sin A into sin C. So arrange properly as per the RHS. So cos A into cos B into cos A. So minus sin A, this right first, this cos A here, or cos A into sin B into sin C. Now where is cos B here? Cos B. So cos B into sin A into sin C into sin A into sin C. Now here cos C minus cos C into what? Sin A into sin B. So cos of A plus B is equal to what? Cos A cos B cos C minus single cos double sin minus single cos double sin, single cos double sin. This is the procedure to, this is the technique to remember this formula. Now third one is tan of A plus B plus C. Third proof is what? Proof 3. Proof 3. Tan of A plus B plus C is equal to what? Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B minus tan B into tan C minus tan C into tan A. We have to prove this. So left hand side, that is tan A plus B plus C. So we can write here tan of A bracket B plus C. Consider this is A and this is B. Now apply tan of A plus B formula. Tan A, this is B suppose. So tan A plus tan B means here B plus C. Divide by 1 minus tan A means A and B means tan B means what? B plus C. Again expand this. So we get here tan A plus what? Tan B plus tan C divided by 1 minus tan B into tan C whole divided by 1 minus what? Now this is 1 minus what? Tan A, this is tan B plus C formula. So what? Tan B plus tan C by 1 minus tan B into tan C. Okay. So here that is what? Tan A LCM what? LCM 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B into tan C. Tan B into tan C LCM. So tan A into what? Tan A into 1 minus tan B into tan C plus what? Tan B plus tan C. Tan B plus tan C. Okay, and whole divided by, this is whole divided by what is LCM here? That is 1 minus tan B into tan C LCM. So this is nothing but 1 by 1 we can write. So 1 into tan A B into tan C. So minus 1 minus tan B into tan C. 1 minus tan B into tan C and multiply this minus tan A into tan B minus tan A into tan B into what? Tan B minus tan A into tan C minus tan A into what? Tan C. This is A. So LCM, this term goes cancel. So multiply this. This is equal to what? 10a minus 10a into 10b into 10c plus 10c plus what? 10b plus 10c divide by 1 minus, divide by what? 1 minus, arrange this, 1 minus 10a into 10b minus 10b into 10c minus 10c into 10a. Now arrange the numerator also. What is this? This is equal to, now arrange this, what is 10a plus 10b plus 10c, 10a plus 10b plus 10c minus 10a into 10b into what? 10c whole divided by, this is 1 minus 10a into 10b minus 10b into 10c minus 10c into 10a. This is right hand side of the proof. Okay, these are the three types of formula, that is a plus b plus c type. Now some applications regarding compound angle formula. Applications of compound angle formula. Some applications of compound angle formula. Some application of compound angle formula. Some applications of compound angle formula. What is the value of, find the value of sin 15 degree, cos 15 degree, tan 15 degree and cot 15 degree. Okay, find the value of this and this is the question. Solution, sin 15 degree. So we can write sin 15 is equal to sin 45 degree minus 30 degree. Sin A minus B formula. So sin A means sin 45 degree, cos B means cos 30 degree, minus cos A means cos 45 degree, sin A means sin 30 degree. Okay. Now what is value of sin 45 degree? That is 1 by root 2 cos 30, root 3 by 2 sin cos 45 degree, 1 by root 2 sin 30, that is 1 by 2. So LCM is what? 2 root 2, this is root 3 minus 1. This is value of sin 15 degree. So sin 15 is, this is value of sin 15 degree. So sin 15 degree is equal to what? Cos 75 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This value you should remember. You should remember this value. Okay. And derivation is the like this, and you should remember this. Now what is cos 15 degree? Okay, cos 15 degree. Now value of cos 15 degree. Solution, that is cos, same process, cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. This is cos A minus B. So cos A means 45 degree into cos B means what? 30 degree, plus sin A means 45 degree into sin B means what? 30 degree. So this is 1 by root 2 and root 3 by 2, and this is 1 by root 2 and this is 1 by 2. So LCM is what? 2 root 2, that is root 3 plus 1. This is value of cos 15 degree. Okay, We know cos 15 degree is equal to what? Cos 15 degree equal to sin 75 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. You should remember this formula also. Okay, this value is also. Now tan 15 degree. Now tan 15 degree. Solution tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree is equal to what? Tan 45 degree minus 30 degree. Okay. Now apply tan A minus B formula. Tan A means 45 degree minus tan B means 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree into what? Tan 30 degree. So tan 45 means what? 1 minus tan 30 means 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3, that is 1 by root 3. So this is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. LCM goes cancel. Now rationalize this. Rationalize this, that is root 3 minus 1 into what? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. This is equal to root 3 minus 1 whole square. Root 3 minus 1 whole square. This is equal to 3 minus 1. So 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 common and cancel. 2 common here. 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to what? Tan 15. So tan 15 degree is equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Okay. So tan 15 degree is equal to what? Cot 75 degree is equal to 2 minus root 3. This should be remember again. Now cot 15 degree. Now cot 15 degree. Solution cot 15 degree is equal to cot 45 degree minus 30 degree. So cot A minus B formula, that is cot A into cot B means 30 degree plus 1 divided by cot this is cot B minus A, cot B minus cot A, cot B minus what? Cot A, cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree 1, cot 30 what? Root 3 plus 1, this is what? Cot 30. Cot 30 is what? Cot 30, that is root 3, and cot 45, that is minus 1. Okay. So this is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. And rationalize this. This is equal to root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So this is root 3 plus 1 whole square by 3 minus 1. So 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Take 2 common here, that is 4. That is equal to what? 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. So 2 common here, that is 2 plus root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, that is 2 plus what? Root 3. Now value of this cot 15 is equal to what? 2 plus root 3. Okay. So you should remember this. The cot 15 is equal to what? Cot 15 degree is equal to tan 75 degree is equal to what? 2 plus root 3. Understood? This you should remember. Now other applications of compound angle formula. Some formula related to compound angle formula derived from compound angle formula, that is, for this is important for 1 mark question. This is important, very very important for 1 mark question. Suppose this is what? Cos A plus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A is equal to tan 45 degree or pi by 4 plus A. This is one formula. This is very very important for 1 mark question. For example, this is what? Cos 15 plus sin 15 divided by cos 15 minus sin 15, etc. Now another formula, cos A minus sin A divided by what? Divided by cos A plus sin A is equal to what? This is equal to tan 45 degree minus A. Second formula. And third one is 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan A is equal to what? Tan 45 degree minus A. This is another formula. And 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A is equal to what? Tan 45 degree plus A. These are the important formula for 1 mark question. Now proof of this some important formula. Suppose prove that what? Cos A plus sin A divided by what? Cos A minus sin A is equal to tan 45 degree plus A. This is the first formula, important formula. So left hand side is what? Cos A plus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A. The answer is in the form of tan. Here cos present, here sin present. So divide. Okay, you can suppose P by Q. What is P by Q? P is called numerator, and Q is called what? Denominator. If this is fraction, then the upper is called numerator and the lower is called denominator. So divide numerator and denominator by cos A. So what is here? Cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. Also what? Cos A minus sin A divided by cos A. So separate this, cos A by cos A 1, sin A by cos A tan A. Okay, so this is what? Cos A by cos A means 1 minus tan A. For 1 we can write what? For 1 we can write tan 45 degree means 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus, this is nothing, means 1 here into here. So for this one also write tan 45 degree into tan A. So this is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So the answer is tan A plus B means 45 degree plus A. Similarly other proof can be done. Okay, now some questions related to this. For example of this cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree divided by cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree is equal to dash. So according to the by the formula, which is formula? Cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to what? Tan 45 degree minus theta. So here that is solution. Here theta is equal to what? 15 degree. So this is equal to tan 45 degree minus 15 degree. So this is equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree means what? This formula used here, 1 by root 3. Okay. Now other formula related to the compound angle formula. Other formula related to compound angles. Sum sum of function, sum of trigonometric ratio, T ratio, or sum in terms of what? Sum in terms of product of. The formula is formulae based on sum or difference in terms of product. Okay, for example, sin A plus B, first formula, this is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A into cos B. This is also from 10th class, class 10th. Okay, class 10. Now, number 2 is what? Number 2 is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A into sin B. Number 3 is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equal to what? 2 cos A into cos B. Number 4 is what? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equal to what? 2 sin A into sin B. This can be proved by applying the formula sin A plus B and sin A minus B. So we can prove this formula. So suppose proof 1 and proof 4. I will do proof of 1 and proof of 4. Okay. Now prove that sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to what? 2 sin A into cos B. Prove that sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A into cos B. So left hand side, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So sin A plus B formula, this is what? Sin A and cos B plus cos A into sin B plus this is sin A minus B. So sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. So this portion goes cancel. This is equal to 2 sin A into cos B. Similarly, other formula can be proved applying this formula. Okay. Prove that cos A minus B plus cos A plus B is equal to what? 2 sin A into sin B. Okay. So this is what? This is same concept. Apply cos of A minus B formula and cos of A plus B formula. So cos A minus B into cos of what? Into cos of A plus B. So this is cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. This is cos of A plus B formula. Then cos of cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So sorry, this is what? This is minus sin. Okay. So this is minus sin and this is minus sin. Okay. So this is what? Cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B minus cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. So this term goes cancel. Cos A into cos B minus here and plus here. This is equal to 2 sin A into sin B, RHS. Now other formula of compound angle. Other formula based on compound angle, that is CD formula. We can say CD formula is known as CD formula. Okay, so this is equal to sin C plus sin D is equal to, first one is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This formula should be remembered. You should remember this formula. And what? This is sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Number 3 is cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now fourth one is what? Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into what? Sin C minus D by 2, or 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Now how it is up? How this formula is obtained? How the formula are obtained? Proof of 1. Proof of 1. That is first. Proof of first. We know sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to what? 2 sin A into cos B. This is formula from previous formula. Let A plus B is equal to C and A minus B is equal to what? A minus B is equal to D. Add this. So what happens here? B cancel. 2A is equal to C plus D and A is equal to what? C plus D by 2. Similarly B is equal to what? B equal to, similarly we can find similarly B is equal to what? C minus D by 2. Okay, C minus B by 2. Now this is one from 1. What? Sin A means what? Sin C. A minus B means what? D. And what is A? This is 2 sin A means what? C plus D by 2. And B means what? This is cos. B means what? C minus D by 2. Similarly, all formulae can be proved taking A plus B equal to C and A minus B equal to D. Now some problems related to compound angles. Before doing some problems, I want to discuss other form of compound angle formula, that is product in sum of product of, that is product in terms of, that is product in terms of difference of squares. Okay, so what is the formula? That is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This is formula number 1. What is sin A plus B into sin A minus B? This is what? Sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus what? cos square A. And number 2 is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. This is equal to what? Cos square A minus sin square B, or what? Cos square B minus sin square A. Cos square B minus sin square A. Okay, and proof of this is proof of first, that is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Apply sin A plus B formula. So this is what? Sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B whole into sin A cos B minus cos A into sin B. So this is suppose A and this is A. This is B, suppose this is B. This is B. So what formula? Which formula here? A plus B into A minus B. So A square minus B square. That is equal to A square sin square A into cos square B. B square means what? Minus cos square A into sin square B. So sin square A into what? 1 minus sin square B minus what? Cos square A means 1 minus sin square A into what? Sin square B. So this is equal to what? This is equal to we get. This is equal to we get sin square A minus what? Sin square A into sin square B minus sin square B, multiply this, and plus sin square A into sin square B. So this portion goes cancel. Oh, what happens here? That is sin square A minus sin square B. Again what? Again sin square A minus sin square B. This can be written as what? 1 minus cos square A minus 1 minus cos square B. So 1 minus cos square A minus 1, and this is what? Cos square B. So plus 1 minus 1 goes cancel. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 goes cancel. This is what? Plus 1 minus 1 goes cancel, and this is equal to what? Cos square B. This is equal to what? Cos square B minus cos square A. Cos square B minus cos square A. Okay, this is what? Cos square B minus cos square A. Similarly, this second can be also proved. Similarly, this second can be also proved. This is the formula. Has to prove this sin square A minus sin square B. Then again sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A means 1 minus cos square A minus sin square B means 1 minus cos square B. So this goes cancel, and this is cos square B minus cos square A. Second can be proved applying cos A plus B formula and cos A minus B formula. This is homework for you. Second is, this is proof of 2 is homework for you. Okay. Now some problems based on the compound angle formula. The problems from material, that is page number 18, question number 1. Prove that cos A into sin B minus C plus cos B into sin C minus C plus cos C into sin A minus B equal to 0. Okay. So left hand side is what? Cos A into sin B minus C plus cos B into sin C minus A plus cos C into what? Cos C into sin A minus B. This is should be 0. This is left hand side. So apply cos A sin B plus C, B minus C. So sin B, what formula? Sin B into cos C minus cos B into what? Sin C. This is cos B into which formula? Sin C minus sin B. Sin C into cos A minus cos C into sin A plus cos C into sin A minus B. sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B, cos A into sin B. Okay, this is, now multiply this, this is cos A into sin B into cos C. Okay, and arrange serially ABC, sin cos A, sin B, sin C, and this is what, cos A minus cos A into what, cos B into sin C. Here cos B, arrange according to serially ABC, so that we should easily identify to cancel the terms. So this is what, cos cos A, and this is what, cos B, and this is sin C. Okay, now this is sin A minus sin A and what, then cos B and cos C, sin A cos B cos C, and this is last one is what, sin A cos B cos C, sin A into cos B into cos C, just multiply करछि, and this is minus cos A into what, sin B into what, cos C. So cancel each term, that is cos A sin B cos C, cos A sin B cos C. The first term and the last term goes cancel. Now cos A cos B, cos A cos B sin C, this term and this term goes cancel. Now sin A, this is these terms and these terms, and this term goes cancel. So the answer is what, 0. Okay, this is one question. Now another question. This is prove that sin B minus C, and this question is, we have to prove that is left hand side. What is left hand side here? That is sin B minus C by sin B into sin C, okay, plus sin C minus A divided by sin C into sin A plus sin A minus B divided by sin A into sin B. So what happens here, this is equal to, apply sin B minus C formula, so sin B into cos C minus what, cos B into sin C. So divide by what, sin B into sin C, divide by also sin B into sin C. Similarly apply this formula here, sin C into cos A minus what, cos C into sin A into sin A divided by sin C into what, sin A. Also this, apply this what, which formula, this is sin A into cos B minus what, cos A into sin B. So divide by sin A into what, sin B, divide by here sin A, divide by here sin A into sin B. Okay, so this is what, this is sin B cancel, so this is cot C, and this is sin C cot, this is minus cot B, and here divide by sin C and sin A, this is sin C into sin A, so divide by here sin C into sin A. So here sin C cancel, this is cot A, and here sin A cancel, this is minus cot C, and here sin A cancel, this is my plus cot B, and here sin B C we cancel, this is cot A. So plus cot A minus cot A cancel, cot B minus cot B cancel, and cot C minus cot C cancel, this is equal to 0. Okay, now another question. This is another question. Prove that tan square A minus tan square B is equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B, whole divided by cos square A into cos square B. Left hand side, this is tan square A minus tan square B. So what is that? That is sin square A by cos square A minus sin square B by cos square B. What is LCM here? That is cos square A into cos square B. And this is what? Sin square A into cos square B minus cos square A into sin square B. And this can be written as what? Sin A into cos B whole square minus cos A into sin B whole square divided by cos square A into cos square B. This is A square minus B square formula. So this is equal to what? This is equal to sin A cos B. This is A plus B means cos A sin B. Cos A sin B. That is A plus B and A minus B. A minus B means what? Sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B whole divided by what? Whole divided by cos square A into cos square B. And this is which formula? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is what? This is which formula? This is what? Sin A plus B. And this is which formula? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is sin A minus B. Okay. Sin A minus B whole divided by sin square A, cos square A into cos square B. This is right hand side. Okay. Now another question. Prove that tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree equal to 4. Left hand side, tan 75 degree plus what? Cot 75 degree. Okay, we can put direct the value if you remember. So, or otherwise without remembering, that is sin 75 degree by cos 75 degree plus cos 75 degree divided by sin 75 degree. So this is LCM is what? Cos 75 degree into sin 75 degree. This is sin square 75 degree plus cos square 75 degree. So this is 1 into this is sin 75 degree into cos 75 degree. So into by multiply and divide by 2, that is 2 sin 75 degree into cos 75 degree. 75 degree. So this is 2 by 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is sin 2 theta, sin 150 degree. Okay. So sin value of sin 150, that is 1 by 2. So this is 4. Or we can solve by putting direct value. Or second method, left hand side tan 75 degree plus cot 75. What is value of tan 75 degree? That is 2 plus root 3. And what is value of this? 2 minus root 3. So root 3 cancel. This is equal to 4. We can do also like this. So these are concept of compound angles and some related questions to compound angle. Thank you. Have a nice day.